Hello, and welcome to Real Estate in a Minute. I'm George Mueller with Century 21 SGR. Today's topic, the weekly MRED housing update. The real estate market wasted no time bouncing back after Thanksgiving. The past week saw increases in new listings, listings under contract, closed listings, open houses, and median sale prices. Let's dive in. As you can see over here with the closed listings almost doubled last week and outpaced last year by about 30%. So as you can see here, 30% growth between last year and this year, and then outpacing it by double from the previous week. Again, these are nice highs that we're seeing here. Listings under contract also saw a week over week increase by 17% and continue to outpace last year by 33%. And if you look back even 2 weeks ago, it's outpacing that by even more, by over double. So kind of some fantastic indicators overall here. New listings, one of the largest jumps we saw was with new listings, which nearly doubled last week. And again, it's outpacing it from last year at this time. Rented listings, as you can see, down slightly from the previous year, but they jumped 60% from the previous week. Keep in mind, though, last week consisted of the first of the month, which fell into this range. So that could equate to why this jumped so high. What you're looking at with open houses, these nearly doubled too compared to the previous week, and I expect them to stay fairly steady at this rate for the coming next couple of weeks because of the holidays. And just as an FYI, I have an open house coming up for a beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath this weekend. Feel free to reach out with details. Next, you have overall showings and requests here. You can see, is it here, up about 20% from last year at this time. But again, you're going through your yearly dips at this time. You can see as this goes, ebb and flow of the market. Residential sold prices. This is one of my favorite stats here. Median residential sale prices. So a 10% jump from last week at $268,000. The median price is about 12% higher than this time last year, and its highest point since mid-September. This is fantastic. $268,000 for the median price. And then finally, residential rented prices saw about a $22 dip from the previous week and are about even with this time last year. As the ebb and flow of the market goes, there's a few indicators that this will be a stronger winter than the previous years, especially with median sale prices up 12% from last year and interest rates near historic lows. In fact, because of such low interest rates, your buying power is 15% higher than it was this time last year. And that's Real Estate in a Minute. Please feel free to reach out with any questions.